Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making some paper pumpkin alternates. We're going to be using parts of the Best There Is May 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Okay, we're going to be making two alternates, and we're going to use a stamp from the Heartfelt Hexagon and a stamp from My Small Business. Okay, before we get started on our project, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first, we have the paper pumpkin kit for June. You have until June 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit that's going to make 9 cards. Features the Shy Shamrock Stampin' Spot, as well as the rest of the new 2024 to 26 in colors. There is an add-on of the Thanks and Beyond dies that you can purchase if you're already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. It's 4 dies for $12. Ordering number is 164397. There is a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States of America. And if you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. This is our host code for the month. If you're placing an order with me, I would love for you to use this host code. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And lastly, for the month of June, there is a sale going on for stamp and die bundles. Only the bundles that have dies. So when you purchase a stamp set with the coordinating dies together, you save 10%. During this sale, you're going to get an additional 10% off of that price. And also, the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machines are 10% off. So that's the regular size and as well as the mini, the white and the boho blue. Okay, so those are all of our buzzworthy business tidbits. So let's go ahead and get started on this project. Well, we have actually 2 projects. So we're going to start with a card base here of Pool Party 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. Going to burnish that score line down with our bone folder. And I got a piece of the card front from the kit that is cut down to 5 by 5 1/4 by 4. And we're just going to put a little bit of glue. I think it's, I'm hoping this is the right end. I'm going to put a little bit of glue. I think I wanted it the other way. Right here. Because I have a part of the envelope, the flap, and we're just going to glue this down to the top. Like so. I'm trying to line it up. Just like that. So then I'll add some more glue. And we're going to put this, put this down onto our card base here. Try to get it on there evenly. That ain't even at all. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue the flap down. I could have just did it flush with the edge, but I just had that little, didn't cut that little flap over, so might as well leave it there. So then I have a die cut. Let me get the dies. I should have showed you. I'm using Wildflower Designs dies. So this little scalloped one, it cuts out the scallop, but also the center out of there. So this is from that. And I'm gonna glue this down about right there, like that. Then I have a piece from the kit. We're gonna cut this in half, and we're gonna be using it on the wrong side. So I'm gonna use it on the white side, and we're gonna connect it to this circle that comes in from the kit as well. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here. And I want it to be about right there. Then we're going to put some glue on this piece. we're gonna put that one about right there, like that. And we're gonna just, whoop, I didn't push this over far enough. Is it stuck? It's stuck. Okay. So maybe I can pull in my leaves a bit. Let's go ahead and put some glue on that. And we're just gonna put this right in the middle here of our little die cut piece. Just like that. Okay, and then we have one more thing to do. I'm gonna get some early espresso ink. We're gonna get a label from the kit, and I'm going to stamp "Thank you" from my small business stamp set. I'm gonna try to get this on here straight enough, just like that. Then we're gonna take this and glue it on right here at the top on the left hand side, just like that. Okay, that's the first card done. The second one, and we're going to embellish them both at the end. So the second one is going to be using 2 pieces, no, actually 3 pieces from the kit, and we're going to go ahead and go stamp from the heartfelt hexagon stamp set. We're going to stamp with "Sincere Sympathy" right onto this sentiment label, just like that. Okay. I have a piece of early espresso. So this piece from the kit is 3.5 by 5. So this is 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. We're going to layer these 2 pieces together. Ooh. I'm making this a sympathy card because my husband needs a sympathy card for a co-worker. And since it's a guy, this kit was perfect. So these are more masculine. I'm gonna put some glue on the back of this strip. We're gonna add this about right here. Try to make sure it's a little straight. Okay, so let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals out. Well, let me open this because I'm looking over here. This card is, I mean, not this card, but the sentiment label is coming up. So I want to add a little bit more glue. So I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to add to this sentiment here. Just a couple. And let's take those backings off. Come on. And then we're going to add this right up here, kind of like we did on the original cards. Okay, so now I want to open my cards up, and I have my personalized stamp. I'll go ahead and stamp my cards, the back of the cards, just like that. We can close up the ink now. And now we're going to put our bling on. So for the bling, I am using the Neutrals Adhesive-Backed sequence. And we're going to use the brown here. So I'm going to get a couple of these onto our card. Just like that for that one. Isn't that cute? I like it. I just have to add it inside. Okay, and for this one, I'm gonna put one here. Let's do one there. Maybe another large one up here. And we'll call that done. Okay, so there's that one. We'll add it inside to that one later. But these are 2 cards, okay? Aren't they cute? I like it. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.